Hello, welcome to Session 5, Abundance. Let's get clear intentions on this thing called abundance. Taking worldly action isn't all there is to do. We are surrounded by energy. That's why I like the background photo of the trees and the bridge and the lights and the energy. It's beautiful. It speaks truth. We aren't just physical bodies, but energetic bodies as well. Energetic bodies in a physical body. All life consists of energy, and energy is the key to abundance. Abundance. We tend to think more in terms of scarcity than abundance. Abundance is a hard reality for many to grasp. You've heard there's plenty to go around, and yet, perhaps like others, you find this hard to believe. I like Jeffery Allen's explanation of abundance and how it works, and I'd like to share that with you now. Imagine you have 10 CDs, all with your favorite tunes. You give one away. What do you have? You now have 9, or fewer than you began. You no longer have 10, you have 9. You've lost something. This is physical world thinking. Now imagine if you bought a song from Spotify, a digital source. Once you buy it, there isn't one less. No, there's one more. This is how abundance works. You don't take away and reduce the source as in the physical world. Abundance is like a digital product. Abundance is energy that grows as it's used and therefore spreads. I hope this helps clear this up for you, how abundance works. Now allow yourself to think abundantly. Don't just think, feel. You are abundant.